come over and at some point of time, so you'll be able to see them go head to head. And of course, the judging is going to happen today as well around
Absolutely.
3:30.
Yes, we hope to be able to announce the winners shortly after 3:30.
Okay, fantastic. So we'll be checking in with them at that point in time. Thank you so much for walking me through this.
You're welcome.
And for those of you that have any questions, I've been noticing Mitch has been walking around in the front.
Hey everyone, it's
Like
JT
promoting the
Ippolito
Red
for
Bakery
Sync
Guild
Media
as well.
Network. We're here at the International Baking Convention. Every 6 years it's held here, 3 years, I'm sorry. And I want to show you the different cakes that are entered in this year for the International Baking Contest. So like, follow, and share us, and here we go. Gosh, look at all that bread. Outstanding. And this afternoon they'll have the different cakes. We're going to show you down here at the end, and they're going to award it for best cake design. But the breads are amazing. So make sure you share this. We're on Sync Media Network on YouTube, and we're at the Retail Bakers of America. Perfect. So let's go down here. We'll show you some of the other cake decorating. There's a shoe, there's a saddle, almost like a polo player one. You know, I actually like that one. That's different. There's a Buddha. This one's interesting. It's actually a working ski lift. I wonder which one's going to win. There's a globe. USB cake. That's cool. And the ones here that I just showed you, they're all buttercream cakes. So I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network, Eileen.